Oh, good move. Everything but the finish. Got it back though. Espinosa malakas. Third chance opportunity. Still no go. Finally, the fourth time's the charm for Kai.
Right.
Yung Caloocan, Abra, San Juan.
Yes, malayo in terms of losses. Ilagan, 10-6. Then to your point, San Juan, Abra, and Caloocan, yun nga, tingin isang talo lang yung tatlong yun. We'll make it 2 because San Juan won today. So that puts San Juan at 12-1. Mangahas, corner 3. Pasok. Yan. Done and over with.
Mark Berige, the former UE Red Warrior, puts in the fray. Sa Lasal. Mangahas tries another one and it's good. Actually, dito ko na lang sa MPBL na-discover na magkapatid pala sila ni Alan. PBL, scan a QR code to play or visit www.sportsplus.ph. Dan Sara shoots over MJ Hoson. Count it, plus the foul.
4-point play.
Sabi nila na isang malaking motivation yon para sa kanila ngayon. In all honesty, Coach JV actually said he's not excited about the long travel goal.
Nandito na rin eh. No? And then yun na rin yung next team mo. Nakalaban. But that's a great point. No? Tama nga naman. They you know, you wouldn't probably be getting the best stories or compliments.
Saka ano to eh, nakakatuwa kasama to pag out of town eh, di ba?
Right.
Always has those stories. Meanwhile,
Yung pagkaalala ko sa litrato kanina, aside from yung bigote, eh, yung buhok eh, kung... I wanna be careful to what I say.
MJ Hoson, pasa kay Joshua Roque. Hoson, shot fake, glides in, swabing-swabe yung finish. Sends it to Ken's Jokno. Popping out was Aaron Baguno. Drives right, gets past Jomar Santos for the easy lay-in. Jokno behind the back pass, telegraphed by Tomart Matiliano. Bounce pass, Joshua Cruz, JM Cruz rather, with the basket.
4-point swing. Trying to do a little showtime was Jokno. It was the right idea. Sumabay na yung tao. But the wrong execution of the pass.
Tega, former MPBL player, and Michael De Leon.
I remember him, yeah.
Sa Pataan yata siya, di ba? Tama. Jomar Santos.
Okay na puntos na yan.
Monte, off the bounce. Floater is short. Got it back. Nahanap si Tweety Santos for his 20th point. Leo Nahorda was his teammate back then.
Yeah, pero si Leo, ano na yan eh.
Latter part na.
Latter part na eh. I think it was the MMBL, one of the preseason leagues. Dumikit ang St. Stephen ng 20. Hindi ko nagkakamali. And it was a good game. Ang dami pa niyan. Jenkins Messina. See this early seal by Publico. Well defended by Mangahas.
Quote-unquote dark days back to their championship with Sam Ekwilit.